Our bodies are truly amazing, but maybe even more amazing than you may think. Today, we're diving into 10 insane facts about your body that'll blow your mind. You might think you know your body, but trust me, some of these facts will have you questioning what else you don't know. So, if you're ready to be shocked by your own biology, make sure to hit that like button and let's get right into it. Did you know that you're actually glowing right now? It's true. Scientists have discovered that humans emit a faint visible light, but it's about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect, so we can't see it. This glow is actually the result of biochemical reactions within our cells. Every cell produces energy through a process called cellular respiration, and a tiny amount of that energy is released as light. Interestingly, our bodies tend to glow brightest in the afternoon, around 4 p.m., and the glow is weakest in the early hours of the morning. If you could see it, it would look a bit like how night vision cameras pick up heat. Imagine walking around with an aura you can't see. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever felt like you're glowing from within? Maybe after a workout or a night of good sleep? Fact number 2 is a bit stomach-turning, literally. Your stomach produces hydrochloric acid, one of the most corrosive substances on Earth, strong enough to dissolve metal. This acid's job is to break down the food you eat so that your intestines can absorb the nutrients. The pH level of stomach acid can range between 1.5 to 3.5, similar to battery acid. But don't worry, the stomach has specialized cells that secrete a mucus barrier, protecting it from being digested by its own acid. Interestingly, this mucus lining regenerates every few days, so you have a constantly renewed protective layer. Drop a comment if you think that's wild, and tell me, have you ever wondered how your body processes all that junk food? On to fact number 3. Believe it or not, the human body contains about 3 to 4 grams of iron, enough to make a small 3-inch nail. Most of this iron is found in your red blood cells and is crucial for their job, carrying oxygen throughout your body. Without it, you'd be unable to get oxygen to your organs, which would be fatal. Iron is also what gives blood its red color when it binds with oxygen. The amount of iron you need varies by age, gender, and health, but on average, men need about 8 milligrams a day, and women need around 18 milligrams. Pretty crazy, right? Imagine all of us walking around with a little metal inside us. This one blew my mind. On average, your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood every single day. To put that in perspective, that's enough to fill a small backyard swimming pool. Over a lifetime, that adds up to over 1 million gallons. And it's not just pumping through a short distance. Your blood vessels, if stretched out end to end, would circle the earth twice. The heart beats around 100,000 times per day to keep blood flowing, which is why it's one of the most hard-working organs in your body. Let's give a round of applause to our hearts in the comments. Seriously, they deserve it. Here's one that sounds hard to believe. Pound for pound, your bones are actually stronger than steel. A cubic inch of bone can withstand pressures of up to 19,000 pounds, which is nearly the same as granite. In fact, the femur, the bone in your thigh, is one of the strongest bones in the body. But despite this strength, bones are still incredibly lightweight, allowing for flexibility and movement. The structure of bone is a masterpiece of nature's engineering, combining strength and flexibility in a way that's difficult to replicate. If you didn't know you were this strong, drop a comment with a flexing emoji. Okay, here's a creepy one. Every single hour, you're shedding about 40,000 dead skin cells. That's roughly 1 million cells every day. Over a year, you'll shed nearly 9 pounds of dead skin. Not only that, but it turns out most of the dust in your house is actually made up of these dead skin cells. While it sounds gross, it's a natural process and essential for skin renewal. The outermost layer of your skin, the epidermis, is constantly regenerating to keep you protected from bacteria, dirt, and other hazards. Let me know in the comments if you find this one as weirdly fascinating as I do. Everyone knows fingerprints are unique, but did you know your tongue has its own unique print too? No two people's tongues are the same, and each tongue has a pattern of grooves, ridges, and bumps unique to you. This could one day be used as a form of biometric identification, though it's still in the experimental phase. Not only that, but your tongue is also the only muscle in your body that's attached at just one end. Imagine unlocking your phone with your tongue. Would you be down for that? Let me know in the comments. Did you know your brain is the most energy-hungry organ in your body? It's responsible for about 20% of your body's total energy consumption, despite only being around 2% of your body weight. This energy is needed to keep neurons firing, process thoughts, and control all the automatic functions that keep you alive, like breathing. Just by thinking, your brain burns calories, about 320 calories each day, which is almost equivalent to running a 5K. Tell me in the comments if you're a proud overthinker burning those brain calories. Fact number 9 might make you feel like a superhero. Humans are actually designed for endurance running, thanks to our unique ability to sweat and cool down. Unlike most animals, we can regulate our body temperature efficiently, which means we can run long distances without overheating. Anthropologists believe this helped our ancestors hunt prey by outlasting them over long chases. Today, our bodies are still perfectly built for endurance. Hit the like button if you're proud of this hidden talent, even if you're not a runner. Last but not least, did you know you're actually taller in the morning than at night? When you lie down to sleep, your spine relaxes and decompresses from the day's activities. By morning, you can gain up to half an inch in height. But throughout the day, gravity compresses the discs in your spine, making you shrink back down by the evening. It's a small difference, but it's true for almost everyone. Crazy, right? If you've ever felt shorter by the end of the day, now you know why. Comment below if you're measuring yourself tomorrow morning. And there you have it, 10 insane facts about your body that'll make you look at yourself differently. Thanks for sticking around, and if you love these facts, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. And let me know in the comments, what fact surprised you the most? Until next time, take care of those amazing bodies, and I'll see you in the next video.